In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best fillet knife available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best fillet knife, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Fillet Knife. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Kesaku 7-inch Flexible Fillet Knife. Precision forged in nitrogen-cooled professional-grade Japanese high-carbon AUS-8 stainless steel. Added chromium for increased steel strength and enhanced stain resistance. Hand sharpened using the Hanbazuk method to a perfect 14-degree angle per side. Up to 2x sharper than other brands. Amazing edge retention keeps its blade's sharpness longer. Gorgeous mirror-polished black Spanish Paca wood handle. Traditional Japanese D-shape is designed to tuck right into your palm. Number 4. Bubba 9-inch Tapered Flex Knife. 15-inch overall length with 9-blade. Non-slip grip handle for outstanding grip security, providing ultimate knife control with trigger grip for added security. Features safety guards for protection from the blade and spines of fish. Ideal for detailed precision cutting, a super thin 8cr13 MOV blade allows for effortless maneuvering to easily remove meat without loss, making it the ideal fishing knife. Well made and heavy duty. Versatile and performs several tasks. Number 3. Rapala Fish End Fillet Knife. Classic birch handle. Progressively tapered, full tang blade. Safety notch secures tang to brass ferrule. Each fish end fillet features a full tang Swedish stainless steel blade with the classic Rapala reinforced birch varnished handle. The genuine leather sheath and single stage sharpener seal the deal, making it the go-to fillet knife in the fishing world. Well made and heavy duty. Versatile and performs several tasks. Quality hard shell sheath. Number 2. Dullstrong 7-inch Fillet Knife. Outstanding craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, stunning design elements, and premium materials. Peak performance has never looked so good at this price. Incredibly razor-sharp, full-tang, imported high-carbon German steel with a hand-polished edge at 16 to 18 degrees per side. Engineered to perfection at 56+ Rockwell hardness and hand-polished to a satin finish. The ultimate steel for the ultimate performance. Premium imported German ThyssenKrupp steel. Number 1. KastKing G4116 Fillet Knife. This KastKing fillet knife features a strong 9-inch German stainless steel blade that is engineered to be razor-sharp and flexible for precise cutting. The knife is crafted for filleting fish and deboning meat and has a non-slip grip for control. The long, thin blade can be better suited to filleting larger fish or tougher meat and may not be the best choice if you're looking for a knife for smaller freshwater fish. The KastKing knife is built for the outdoors and comes with a durable, lightweight sheath that has open slots to allow water to drain through.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.